So I just changed the name live streaming of study news. तो इस लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में कैमरा या गॉट इट तो इस लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में मैं कुछ चीज़ें दिखाना चाहूँगा और आज का आई थिंक दैट विल बी वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन आई थिंक दिस वन so yeah, you can see. So this is the thing, silent brain cell that shape our behavior, memory and the health. So kind of interesting thing. This is this report from this Nature journal. So in that journal, you can see. So like these are the our brain cell. So that I can discuss with that and how it is important to that case. We'll go through this report, and this is the one of the beautiful cartoon diagram, and you all know that is astrocyte cells and how they interact with that. So why it is so important? Because the silent brain cell. So you I think you not aware of all those the silent brain cell and these. So this is a silent brain cell that shapes our behavior, memory and the health. So this is the fluorescence diagram of that. So like the under light microscope, brain cell called the astrocytes look star shaped. So these are the star shaped cells, that is the astrocytes. This is the astrocytes, and their study with that, and then as far the 19th century scientists see their simple microscope that the mammalian brain cell include two major type of cells. You know about that is the neuroglia, neurons and the glia. So roughly equal in number, and so you know about the neurons that can help for the transductions of that signals, or like propagate the signal through the neurons, and the glial cells are there, but these are the key important, like memory, health and the behavior that can control. So like in contrast, the glial cells seem to be the electrically silent. You can see this is electrically silent and were dismissed as dull by the most researcher, but some of the glia called the oligodendrocytes that coat and insulate the neurons, and other the microglia that provide the brain's immune system that may function the astrocyte provide more elusive. So that's why that is very crucial for us. So you see this is the one of the astrocytes, and this is a presynaptic neuron and that is a postsynaptic neuron. In between the pre and post, their chemical messengering system, like the, you can see that is the signaling molecule. It might be GABA, it might be acetylcholine, and these kind of cells that can release, and these are the receptor. तो उस रिसेप्टर पे क्या होता है, वो मॉलिक्यूल जाके बाइंड करेगा, इसका जो रिसेप्टर है वो भी अपना आयन गेटेड हो सकता है, लिगेंड गेटेड हो सकता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट ये चैनल ओपन होगा, शायद कुछ डिपोलराइजेशन होगा, उससे से कैसे मूव करेगा. बट problem is that there's the astrocyte cell that can release some of this molecule, and that can make some influence to that presynaptic and the postsynaptic junction portion. So that's why they are the one of the more key factor for that. तो अभी चलते हैं तो clocks, learning और memory. So astrocyte resolve an open question in the field of the circadian biology. In how does the body's master clock, like pineal gland, cluster of the cells brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus or SCN, that regulate the biological cycle or 24-hour rhythm, keeps its circular loop. So it is like a mystery. Circadian biologist like Mitchell Hastings at the Laboratory of Molecular Biology at Cambridge, UK. So this is the area, like mystery area. The master clock system gets up exclusively neurons that release the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, and no one could see a system and apparently does nothing but the suppress the neuronal activity. So you can see the different astrocyte types in the thousands of branches of leaves and packed together fill in the brain. You see that the image. This is a very beautiful image. The astrocytes are rare in number that play part on the Alzheimer's disease here. So then how amyloid plaque, there's a blue is amyloid plaque, but not nothing in that region. In that the space region is there. The amyloid plaques are there. So like in that small report you can just see, okay, these are the astrocyte cells, and that participates the in another silent behavior of the brain cell. Hope this updated news you can see in the nature's website. Now I'm just going through another news that might be help you.